This'll probably be, oh, this'll be the last Garf of the night. Here we are, we're at the last Garf of the night, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, Garfield and friends.
We're ready to party!
We're ready to party, we're ready.
I hope you bring lots of spaghetti.
I did!
Come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's fun to party with Garfield and friends.
Oh, yeah!
Fiesta!
Romantic!
Fiesta! La Bamba!
Ay, caramba!
Disguises! Surprises! And pies of all sizes!
Come on in, come to the place where fun never ends. Come on in, it's fun to party with Garfield and friends.
Yeah!
Come on in, it's fun to party with Garfield and friends.
Let's do it.
Garfield and friends.
Hey, you chewing the gum. I hope you brought enough for everybody.
Alright, last Garf. Last Garf of the night. There's Garfield. Scratch, 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 scratch. Uh-oh. Just look at what you've done to my chair. You should be more considerate of other people's property. Yeah, Garfield. Now I know it's natural for cats to sharpen their claws. Fish gotta swim, birds gotta fly, and cats gotta claw, but do it outside, okay? Garfield. Garfield! Well, that's it. That's the last Garf. As last Garf. Last Garf. Now he knows how Lyman felt a few months back. Comics like this one normally don't have a strict continuity, so probably not. Or do they? No. You're right. By the way, I like your sunflower avatar. Please don't replace it with an ugly sunflower to make me look like a fool to future historians. Peace, love, Garf. Well, that's it. We're done. We're done with all the Garfs. I want to say thank you to our Patreon supporters. We've teamed up with film group Film Cow. They're a partner now. All of the Patreon supporters are helping this show get made. Both my YouTube series and also this live stream. Look at all these people. The names from Saturday's stream have not been added yet, but they will be soon. Also, look at these premium members. So many premium members. They're all so premium. You can sign up to the Patreon yourself. Help support everything film group Film Cow does. I'm sure they do great work. Not familiar myself, but they're helping with this show. Yeah. Yeah, so sign up. Sign up today. You can get your own name there. Well, yeah, I think that's it. Can't think of anything else. I think we're done. We got to December 17th, 1978. You know what that means? That means next stream, next Monday, we're going to be getting out of 1978. I think. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Film Cow is blacklisted? Oh, I should probably get on that. If I'm gonna be mentioning them. World famous film group Film Cow. If I'm going to be mentioning them, I should probably unblacklist them. And from the chat, that's probably just good business sense. All right, well, I'll see you again next Monday for more Garfield. Until next time, drink more water to keep your face healthy for both you and for me. Set fire to buildings, but never to forests. Let the light of the one true moon shine upon us all once again. Farewell.